Hey, this is Ti. Welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna be going over trading, right? This channel is all about trading, having the right mindset, learning different strategies, and the basics of Forex, right? So there's two basics to Forex. There's technical and there's fundamental. Um, and fundamentals is an important part to play, as well as technicals. So a lot of people come into the game and they just learn technicals like trend lines and channels, right? But you're missing the main fundamentals of the actual market itself, right? You're missing the big players. Um, you're missing the infrastructure of how the market works, right? So I'm a forex trader. I used to trade stocks. I used to trade crypto, but then I started focusing all onto forex all at once, right? And yeah, I found that there was a lot more into forex. There was a lot more volatile. So as a trader, we're looking for volatility compared to how like market makers are looking for liquidity, right? So with being a trader, because you're looking for volatility and the market makers are looking for liquidity, the market makers group um, like the major forex pairs based on liquidity, right? Um, and us being traders, that we wanna be trading volatility. So they don't teach you this in forex because it's a risk to them, right? It's a risk to them. So they will push you on to the major pairs to trade major pairs only, because for them that's a less risky for them. So that's one of the underlying problems that many traders face, because you because many traders that come into the game, right, they pretty much got a textbook analysis of how it works, of like trend lines and channels. And the market makers are most probably written this retail mindset. Like, you have to trade it like this, you have to trade it like that. So already they're setting you up to fail, right? They're setting you up because you think about it, yeah. Market makers, right? They give you like 100 to 1 leverage or 500 to 1 leverage. Why would they give you so much money for them to take their money, right? It don't make sense. Yeah, they give you that because they're setting you up, right? They're setting you up to fail. So they give you all this education, right? If you go to a broker, they will give you education, free education, seminars, webinars, auto charted software that is in a retail mindset. Yeah. So you need to educate yourself away from the retail mindset of how professionals trade. And professionals trade fundamentals with technicals, right? But the technicals ain't going to be trend line breaks, ain't going to be channel breaks. Trading, so a channel is like, so if you're in a trending channel, you sell at the top and then you buy at the bottom, right? They have written so when you start seeing trend line breaks, yeah, that is already like breaking away from that trend line, because they give you the setup, and so your eyes are trained to see these channels, but by the time you start trading it, they're already breaking away from that trend line, right? So it's you have to look away from that retail mindset. So to me, to you, so for me to give to you, I'll say learn price action and market structure. Yeah, one of the two most important, because price action is always king. Yeah. Stay away from, if you can, try and stay away from indicators. Yeah, indicators are made up by these guys, but indicators are lags. They lag, right? They're lagging indicators. So by the time you look at, so for example, like a heat wave, right? So for example, you're looking at a heat wave and it's an 8 on a heat wave. Yeah, that's lagging behind price. Yeah, it will give you an indication, but it's not giving you real-time data. Apart from price action and market structure, you'll be looking at real-time data. So you'll be using your eyes to as an indicator itself. So yeah, it's just breaking away from that mindset that a lot of traders come into, you know, and this is what this channel is going to be about, like breaking them shackles, you know, that a lot of people see. I've read a lot of books about technical analysis, fundamentals, and its basics is all down to retail, because who's going to be making money from retail? It's going to be the market makers and investment bankers, right? The investment bankers are pretty much invested in brokers, right? So they want to make sure the brokers are doing well so they can get their money. So yeah, it's a doggy dog business, right? And if they can stab you in the back, they'll stab you in the back by offering you all these freebies. And then put that aside, and then when you come into Forex, then you've got everyone selling their course, right? Everyone's selling a course, everyone's selling signals, which is just like a scam. Yeah. All right, if you want to learn the retail based side of it, then yeah, cool, go and buy one. But if you want to be learning professional, there's so much out there for free. Yeah, just from looking around on YouTube, looking around on communication channels. Yeah, if you look for professional trading, a lot of people give you that for free, right? Because they understand the game, they understand the infrastructure of how Forex works, right? And yeah, that's like I said, you want to be breaking away from the retail mindset. So pretty much, if anyone's going to try and sell you indicators, sell you courses, sell you signals, stay away from them. You know what? Keep that money. Yeah, save that money that they're offering you. Like, say if for example, right, someone's offering you £50 a month to join their course, right, or at £300 for a lifetime subscription. Put that money into a Forex account and build it over time. Yeah, so every month you put in money aside into your Forex account, right, or your trading account. Don't have to be Forex, but I will be covering mainly Forex on this. But yeah, put that aside into account and let that grow. So over a period of time, when you're paper trading, you're stacking up your real account as well at the same time, right? And while you're learning, because you ain't gonna be, to be honest, yeah, to be a profitable trader, it's gonna take 2 to 3 years, right, to become profitable. So for the first year, you're just gonna be educating yourself, right? So you want to come you'll be setting up a demo, and you will put 500 to 1,000 in the demo account, right? Don't go in stupid putting 50k, right? Because that's unrealistic, right? But like I said, for the first year, you ain't gonna be profitable, yeah. So for the first year, put in 500 to 1,000, $500, £500, 500 whatever money that you're trading, right, to 1,000, yeah, and use realistic lot sizes, right? See, a lot of people will put in like I don't know, 50 lots on a trade with 50,000 demo money. Yeah, that's not being realistic. You're setting yourself up to fail, right? So yeah, start off with a realistic goals, right? So when you're going into your real account, then your mindset is already in there. The mindset ain't 100% because it's not your money, right? So you don't care how that money pans out, But if it's your real money, yeah, you're gonna be more on it, right? So you're gonna be like, what if I lose all this money? See, with a demo, you ain't feeling like that, right? So it will train you in certain areas, but it won't train you 100%, right? So yeah, it's just getting your mindset right and your psychology. That's what it is. So I'm out today. I'm out. I took my son football practice. And this is what Forex is about, you know. It's not about that Ferrari lifestyle, right? The Lamborghini lifestyle, and riches, mansions. Yeah, cool. Like if you can swing that, yeah, I mean, well done. But to me, it's financial freedom. You know, it's giving me back my time to do stuff with my family, right? So I'm not booked down on a 9 to 5, so I've got time to be around with my family. That's the whole idea. That's my whole mindset. The whole reason why I got into trading, Forex as well, Forex trading. So I can spend more time with my loved ones, you know, and not always. I'm out. You can't be sitting around on a computer screen all day. Yeah, you're gonna go drive yourself crazy. You're gonna be sitting there, tied to the computer. Yeah, we're trying to come away from that, trying to break free from that, you know. So you want to limit yourself on the screens, right? So yeah, we're gonna be going into the basics of Forex as well. I can hit the infrastructure side of things, but you know what, you need to get out there, start reading books, start understanding how this game works, right? There's plenty of books out there. I'll recommend some. I'll put some in the description below of what books you should be reading. That's gonna stray away from that retail mindset. Yeah. So yeah, so we're going to be doing courses. We're going to be doing this is all free, right? I don't want your money. I make my money from Forex. Yeah, I don't need your money. Yeah, I want you to save your money and put your money in your own account. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing free basics, right? Free psychology, mindset talks like this here, right? Risk management as well, managing your stop losses, your timing your entries. So yeah, so it's gonna be a long process, but I'm gonna be with it along the way, you know. So if there's anything that you want to add, comment down below, like, subscribe, whatever you do on YouTube. I'm not sure, I'm a new YouTuber, so pretty much I will be building this channel up. Like I said, it's going to be free. I ain't going to be charging no money. I don't expect any money from anyone either. I said I make my money from Forex, right? And that's the way that I'm going to keep it. So like I said, if props to like the people that I did buy their courses, but then I realized that I don't want you guys to go down the same route that I went. Yeah, it took me years to obviously figure out this route that I'm going down, right? So I don't want you guys making the same mistakes. I want you guys to save your money and put it into your Forex account, yeah, and forgetting about this Forex lifestyle that everyone's flashing out with cigars, cocktails, sitting on the beach trading. You know, that's all fake, bro. That's fairy tale, yeah. So I want you to realize that you want to be a consistent, profitable trader for like a financial freedom. Yeah, we're gonna get there. We'll get there. Obviously, it's gonna take time. I said for the first year, you're not gonna make profits. You will make profits, but you won't be making big, consistent profits to what the big boys do. So expect that. So for the first year, you're going to be learning. Yeah. Second year, you maybe start bringing in profits. Third year, yeah, you'll start building up them profits and start understanding the market, you know. But yeah, stay locked in. We're gonna get on this, and we'll go further for this. All right, cool. Peace.